buy Robux with a Paysafecard. So first off, you want to go to the actual Google Play Store. You want to tap on your account up here. Now on your account up here, you want to go to payments and subscriptions, and then you want to go to payment methods. Now on payment methods, you want to add a payment method called PaySafe, right? So because that's the thing we want, but unfortunately PaySafe is not available on my region, but I'll show you what the option will look like right now. That is what it will look like if you have Paysafecard available on your region. Now, all you have to do now, once you have added the Paysafecard onto your Google Play, you just have to buy the Robux like normal, right? Just go to Roblox and then buy any one of these that you want, like either 2,000, 10,000, 4,000, just buy any one of these as you want. It'll automatically be converted because you already have the Paysafecard available on your Google Play. And if the balance is available, then it'll be the default payment method that you will have. So of course, no hassle. The thing you have to do is to add the Paysafecard onto your managed subscription and payment methods on Google Play. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.